I'll have it for that. There you go. I was looking at pictures with birds with arms because I got nothing better to do.
Like, they look like they're on steroids. This is one of the most terrible. Bird rolls up on me. Oh God! Bird rolls up on me like that. Just, I'm gone, bro. What happened to me? I jumped out of spaceship. Get the fuck out of there. When I have arms, dog. Like that. What the? Why?
What the?
America, I give up on you. America, I give up on you. Did you show them the buff one? Yeah, if a bird rolls up on me looking like this, I swear to God, if a bird rolls up on me looking like this, I'm running.
Hey, that!
I'm just out. If a bird runs up on me looking like that, I'm gone.
Yeah, well.
I'm gonna shoot every kind of gun I can handle, but still survive. We'll go to the White House and push the button.
The goose! Peace was never an option.
I guess. The Cardinal seems to be the Pied Piper.
The freaking Jedi bird!
There's a Jedi bird. Fuck little green Yoda, that's the little... What the hell?
They took aluminum foil.
Call that a turkey tan!
The turkey. Gave it tan lines.
America.
Funny.
I call that a turkey tan, if you know what I mean.
Because why?
Oh,
because
God.
half of America seems to think drugs and memes go very well together. And that's what happens.
See? They took strips of...
What the?
You'd have to be really fucking bored to do that. You'd have to be seriously...
It's a great prank to play on your family.
Man, I'd be like, what? I took her out for dinner last night. I just thought I'd get her stuff today.
Oh.
Then they just have someone stoned as hell or like on something so they have no idea what they're looking at.
I'd
Then
be
you
like,
turn to them, show them that and be like, you just give us them. Who the hell cooks the midget?
I just straight went to looking at him and been like, I
My
brought her home.
genius is frightening, I know.
I should have looked at him and be like, so who's stopping your mom?
Oh, that's bad.
I wasn't sis next door. Oh, that's a girl next door situation. This was a girl next door? Oh, no wonder I died. No wonder why I was a little dry and fluffy. A little dry and feathery. I didn't know what was going on. That was a pillow. Turned out to be turkey. This was bad.
And this one be looking a little dapper, man. The bird was like a suit and tie and shit.
Yo, I'm worried about these two down here in the corner. Really?
Those are British birds. And then there's the owl.
Watch out, these birds' arms. Bro. No. Why? Why?
And also, me just looking at these memes on
bird
freaking
yoga.
Reddit. I was trying to look for something to send to my friend. Now we're just looking at
What?
birds with arms.
This is terrifying.
Google.
Like, there's one. What the fuck? It's like the thing from Grudge. It's a grudge bird. I'm telling you, it's a grudge.
It's a bird with a Halo assault rifle.
Oh my god, he's got the Halo assault.
Oh, it's got the freaking oh.
That's so
Freaking-
terrifying. I want that bird. My board. I tell you, you have my board. All my boards.
You both have
My
M85.
board has M85.
M85 assault rifle.
Plasma sword. Bird, get you with plasma sword.
That's called the so that's little adhesive. Well, it is plasma. It's basically heated plasma. And
Pretty much.
Must green bird have good taste in weaponry.
Yes. But run if you're run. Board bus cap and ass. Everybody was at this place. He was a staffer at a different place. He gave it to one of the kids. Goes, see this cap? He's like, yeah. So she's standing on my hair jack. And he pumped it until the cap breaks. He said, I just busted a cap to jack you up. I was like, Juanito, really?
Now I just googled birds with arms and guns.
Oh God,
That fucking
what the?
a rooster with a freaking bear.
Dude, you got. Whoa, it's Vader.
Darth Vader bird.
Forget Nightwing and shit. There's Nightbird. What's that owl man?
She like, what the fuck?
I don't talk to him sometimes.
I would just do this one.
What? That's pretty bad.
We're just looking at birds around holes, and he just sees this one. Okay, she's not happy. Hey.
Oh God. Just why?
Harley, what do you think it is? Another time?
These are so stupid, but I love them. Hey. Instead of James Bond to James Crow. God damn.
Okay.